The Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions is on the spot again for withdrawing another high-profile graft case involving theft of hundreds of millions of shillings. And what is unsettling is the EACC's claim that the withdrawal has been done at the request of the suspect. The case in question involves 12 individuals, among them the Chief Executive Officer of the Tanathi Water Works Development Agency, Frederick Mwamati. Well, Kevin Mutai now reports that the EACC has protested the move, saying it is complete disregard of public interest, abuse of the court process, and made in bad faith.
The tender for the construction of Kinanie Leather Industrial Park Water Supply Project costed 292.7 million shillings, forming the heart of the case on alleged procurement fraud. According to court documents seen by NTV, 14 companies had submitted their bids in relation to the tender. The deal was awarded to Palmer Structural Engineering Company Limited in a process which EACC says was marred with irregularities. On December 14, 2023, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission concluded investigations, subsequently recommending prosecution of the Tanathi Water Works Development Agency, former CEO Frederick Mwamati, other 9 officials and 3 companies involved in the alleged scandal. Upon perusal of the file in June 2024, the Director of Public Prosecutions, Renson Ngonga, directed all the 9 suspects and the directors of Palmer Structural Engineering Company Limited, Antidote Agencies Limited, and Kiasi General Merchants Limited be arrested and prosecuted after being satisfied with the evidence EACC provided. The DPP recommended 9 charges, including conspiracy to commit an offence of corruption, contrary to Section 47A(3) as read with Section 48 of Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act. Abuse of office, 3 counts of willful failure to comply with procurement laws, 3 counts of conflict of interest, as well as 4 counts of unlawful acquisition of public property. But in a shocking turn of events, the EACC is now protesting, accusing the DPP of again withdrawing the case despite all the evidence provided. In an interesting accusation, the EACC claims that the Director of Public Prosecutions withdrew the case after a request from the suspects to have the evidence reviewed. The Commission accuses some of them of receiving huge kickbacks in the multi-million shillings tender in question. In a 9-page affidavit filed before the Kitui Anti-Corruption Court, the Anti-Graft Agency argues that withdrawal of criminal charges against the accused persons is complete disregard of public interest, abuse of the court processes, and made in bad faith. EACC has opposed withdrawal of the case, telling the court that the DPP has no basis for withdrawing the matter, since he had given consent to prosecute based on the evidence provided, saying it should proceed to its logical conclusion. This is another legal battle pitting the DPP against the EACC, with the bad blood between the 2 state agencies seemingly threatening to dent the country's fight against corruption. Kevin Mutai, NTV.